Okay, welcome again to another Wilkinson motor project. We're not going to talk about a transformer right now. The transformer is covered up. We're going to talk about a different variation of motor, like an armature. Can be used as a motor or a generator or a fan. Either way, or. This is a motor can run, or you can get it spin that puts energy out. Small DC motor. This is another DC motor which has a triple wire, which can use this wire as a switch in the device and a shaft, so that acts as a Newman pulse motor. Now this other motor here is a regular weed eater motor, which is AC motor converted to DC, and the magnetic field, this is two microwave magnets around the sides, and 4 very high powered magnets are arranged around the outside weed eater base, and they're wired in and taped in so they won't go anywhere. And also we got a switching device which is used back here. We use a brush and a wire to turn the motor on. When the motor is engaged, it is then used to create energy that can be transferred through these coils. These are all microwave fan coils with taking away the laminates and putting a diode and a capacitor on it to create an energy receptacle. Now, not talking about these motors here. Now, this is a Newman motor upgraded. It's going to be a pulse motor. It's going to use to a transformer to excite a fluorescent light while it charges the system up. This one runs in this direction. So the dish at the bottom runs to the surface like a top. So the motor pulses from the top and transfer energy to the pulse magnets be right here. That's what runs the system, and this is what charges the system. This is run by a pulse, and the weight here creates a torque for the energy. Now, to test this motor out, this motor is done today. Today is August 12, 2010. Now, when you get this coil closer to the spinning magnet, the magnets have to spin at a certain resolution. It creates energy going to the coil and light up the LED. Now I'm going to spin it by hand to show you a little bit. See that? It's lit. No, it's not lit. That's spin at a faster resolution to extract energy. Now, in this same motor, because of the electromagnetic, the permanent magnetic field, which is against the shaft, another armature can be added to this as a generator without a magnet attached in this area, where you can pick up the energy from this commuter area here, and charge this battery while the motor runs, and charge multiple other items. Now this is a new test, which is another Wilkinson motor project, and to see the variation, how far a permanent magnetic shaft can be attached to armature to see if it produces energy. That energy can be stored in a battery or recoil back into the motor to keep the motor self-sustained. That's further investigation in the motor system. Right now we're talking about these, which is a triple wire motor. One wire going to ground, and the other wire over here uses a switching. This goes to the battery, this goes to the battery, and this as a switch to pulsate the energy through the motor. Then put another 2 wires in these 2 ends, diode going to a battery to charge the battery up from one battery to the next with a super pulse. The same concept can be done with a Newman motor concept. This is just converted to a Newman motor type. Thank you very much for your attention. and all different motor system. Not a Wilkinson motor product. Chat. Thank you.